Welcome to this tutorial on building AI agents with N8N for beginners. N8N is a workflow automation tool that allows you to create custom workflows and automate tasks. To get started, you will need to download and install N8N on your computer. First, let's cover the key concepts of N8N. N8N is based on nodes, which are the building blocks of a workflow. Each node performs a specific task, such as sending an email or making an API request. You can connect nodes together to create a workflow that automates a task. To build an AI agent with N8N, you will need to use the RPA node, which allows you to automate tasks by interacting with web pages and desktop applications. You will also need to use the ML node, which allows you to integrate machine learning models into your workflow. Let's create a simple AI agent that uses natural language processing to respond to user queries. To do this, you will need to create a new workflow in N8N and add an RPA node. Configure the RPA node to interact with a chatbot platform, such as Dialogflow. Next, add an ML node to your workflow and configure it to use a natural language processing model, such as a language model or a sentiment analysis model. This will allow your AI agent to understand and respond to user queries. Finally, connect the RPA node and the ML node together to create a workflow that automates the task of responding to user queries. You can test your AI agent by interacting with the chatbot platform and seeing how it responds to different queries. Best practices for building AI agents with N8N include starting with simple workflows and gradually adding more complexity as needed. You should also test your workflows thoroughly to ensure they are working as expected. Additionally, you should use version control to keep track of changes to your workflows and collaborate with others.